Shenzhen LES Technology Company Limited, founded in 2011, is the development, design, manufacture, and exporting of home-use beauty care instruments. We have professional engineer team for new design and solving technical needs, quality control team for making sure every unit you received is good quality, English-speaking team seller for your fully communication, logistic team for arranging shipment to you. LES Technology is the factory with over 10 years' experience of home-use beauty instrument research, development, production, and exporting. Our products mainly include portable phototherapy series like acne removal pen, LED facial mask, skin cleaning series like electrical facial cleansing brush, ultrasonic skin scrubber, biological microcurrent series like galvanic spa, eye beauty device, ultrasonic beauty instrument series, vibration massage instrument series, streamer series, heat treatment products series. These products are popular in the market. Our products with certificate CE, RoHS, FCC, PES, FDA. Our factory is inspected by SGS and many overseas big importing companies. We produce good quality products and offer warranty over 1 year. Our products have been exporting to the United States, Canada, Japan, South Korea, Europe, and Southeast Asian countries. LES Technology has many patented design products which welcomed by our clients, has many ODM project experience, and has been providing OEM services for our clients. Now, please contact us for cooperation.